Hi students, in this video we are going to learn trigonometry first lesson question number 9. In a triangle ABC, right angle at B, if tan A is equal to 1 by root 3, then find the value of this one. This is a given question. This problem can be done in two methods. So first method we are going to use the normal triangle way. So let us take the triangle first. So here to given us tan A is equal to 1 by root 3. That is given. Tan A is equal to 1 by root 3. So here let us take the A and this is B, this is C. Tan is nothing but opposite side by adjacent side. So from A the opposite side should be 1. So from A opposite side is 1 and the adjacent side is root 3. This hypotenuse side we don't know. We need to find out. By using Pythagorean theorem we can say that hypotenuse square is equal, that is AC square is equal to 1 squared plus root 3 squared we can write. So AC square is equal to 1 squared is 1, root 3 square is root 3 into root 3 will give you 3. So AC square is equal to 4. Square you just take it to other side, it will become a square root. So AC is equal to root 4. So AC value will be 2 only. Whenever we are taking a number from the root, it will be having plus or minus sign. But this is a distance between the 2 points, it cannot be negative. That's why we are taking always positive. So AC is equal to 2. So here we are getting 2. Now this is our given question. So we need sin A cos C, cos A sin C value. To complete the first subdivision, we need sin A value and cos C value and cos A cos sin C. All the four values we needed. So sin A, from the A, sin A formula opposite by hypotenuse side. So from A my opposite is 1, hypotenuse is 2. So 1 by 2 we can write. Next one we need cos C. So cos C value. So from the C we have to check now. Cos C formula adjacent by hypotenuse. So from the C your adjacent side is 1 only because this is hypotenuse, this will never change. This is opposite, this is adjacent for the C, that is 1, again hypotenuse is 2. Then we need cos A value, again formula adjacent by hypotenuse, but this also cos, but here the angle is C, here the angle is A. From the A, which is adjacent side, we have to check. This is my adjacent side, root 3, because this is my hypotenuse. Definitely this should be the adjacent one, root 3, and my hypotenuse is 2. Next we want sin C. Sin C is equal to, from the C opposite side by opposite by hypotenuse side. So from the C the opposite is root 3, hypotenuse is 2. So root 3 by 2. So we have written all the values. So let us start the problem now. The first problem, that is sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. That is your given question. Let us apply now. In the place of sin A we have 1 by 2 multiplied by cos C value. Cos C is equal to 1 by 2 and this one multiplication plus cos A sin C. Cos A is root 3 by 2 and sin C is again root 3 by 2. There is no symbol, means you have to take the multiplication. According to the board marks, first we have to complete the multiplication, then only should go for the addition. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, numerator 1 ones are 1, denominator 2 twos are 4, plus here root 3 into root 3, 3, denominator 2 twos are, it will be 4, which is equal to, both the denominators are same, take one common denominator, numerator will be added as it is. So 4 by 4 we are getting, that is equal to 1. That is the answer for the first problem. Second problem also we can find the angle in this way, we can substitute. I am going to teach you another method for the second problem that will help you in your exam easily. So here's what is another way of solving this problem is, here tan A is given as 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3 is a value of tan 30 degree. So tan 30 degree only 1 by root 3 we can say. So this is our triangle. In this triangle, here we know that this is 90. Here we are going to take angle A, this is angle B and this is your angle C. Now in the place of A we are getting 30. So write it 30 here. So in a triangle, if you are adding all the three angles, that should come to 180 definitely. So here 30 degree plus 90 degree plus angle C we don't know, which is equal to 180 we can write. 90 plus 30 is 120. 120 if we take it into other side, that will become minus. So 180 minus 120, which is equal to 60. So definitely the angle C will be 60 only. So by using the angle also we can find it. This is our second problem. Our second problem given to us is cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. Now in the place of A we have to put 30 degree. In the place of C we have to take the 60 degree. Now cos A value 30, cos C value cos 60 minus sin A value 30 and sin C value C is 30. So wherever you are getting C, we are replaced by the angle 60. We know the trigonometric table. If you don't know, you just check the trick behind it. So cos 30 value we have root 3 by 2. From your table only I am writing. Multiple by cos 60 is 1 by 2 minus sin 30 is 1 by 2. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So first we need to complete the multiplication, then only we have to come for the subtraction. So here root 3 into 1, root 3, denominator 2 2s are 4. Minus here also 1 into root 3 is root 3, 2 2s are it is 4. Same number is subtracted, the answer is 0. So that is your correct answer, students. Either you can go by this method or you can find the angle, you can apply the table value also. That's all, students. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, subscribe our channel for more videos.